Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping block we got potatoes, rusted potatoes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 potatoes, and they're medium size. Okay, and with these potatoes we're going to be making you amazing bacon and cheese loaded potato skin. So make sure you tune in, do not skip this video. It's going to be a simple recipe. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is, well, I'm going to show you what I got first, right? I'm going to do something else. Look, I got some sour cream right here, a tube of sour cream. You already know about the potatoes. I got some Mexican cheese right here. I got some bacon pieces right there. I got some mozzarella cheese right here. And I have these like 8 black olives sliced up. This is just like maybe a handful, not even a handful, I just say a 1/4 cup of cilantro. Another 1/4 cup of green onions. Right here I have some Parmesan and Romano cheese, grated. Have some black pepper. I also have some granulated onion powder. I have some granulated garlic powder. And I have some salt. I just don't have it right now. Okay, alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take these potatoes. Very simple. We're just going to throw these bad boys in the microwave for about good 15 to 20 minutes. And when they get close to being done, then we're going to bring them back here. I'll show you the next step. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Okay, they didn't take that long to cook, I guess because it was medium. Normally when I cook them big ones, they take a little longer. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take a spoon. We're just going to get some of this stuff out of there. That's all you're doing. And you just scoop it out of there. Just like that. You want to leave some of that in there. Kind of heavy-handed. So, just like that. Now I'm not going to use the rest of this potatoes in here. I'm loading it up with all this other stuff over here. I'm just going to fry these, deep fry them. That's how you want to do it. You just get it out like that. Get all this stuff out of there if it's going to be in your fryer. I just normally take the back of my spoon and smooth it out like that. See? Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I'm done with the potatoes. I'm just going to sprinkle a little salt on it. Just like this. If I can get it coming. Alright. Just a crumb. It ain't, you don't need that much, okay? You don't want no salty potato skin. You just want a little taste. So don't get carried away. Unless you ain't sure salty. Got some black one. We ain't gonna go with the black pepper yet. We're gonna go with the onion powder. Just lightly. See this? Lightly. Maybe 2. Garlic, slightly. You don't have to use this now. Salt and pepper will be just fine. I don't do just regular. I like my food to taste amazing. And you would know that had you taste in it. But if you make the recipe, then you will know. So I'm making this for you guys, so you can do it yourself. You just sprinkle a little bit in there. You ain't doing too much, just a little bit. Alright. Now some of y'all wondering, okay, why put the seasoning on there now? Okay, because you're gonna eat. I'm gonna eat my potato skin. I ain't just gonna eat the stuff that's in it. But you see how I'm pressing down on it? I'm sealing that seasoning in this potato, so it won't come off. That's all I'm doing. And to give it a little bit more flavor. Take them over there, get done, put them on the cooling rack, but we're still gonna pop them in the oven to melt the cheese. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Alright, here's the potato skin. I deep fried those up. I don't know if you can hear that. Alright, they crispy, as promised. Alright, we're gonna come with us some cheese, some Mexican cheese. So make sure everything is good. Everybody got some cheese, nice amount. And come with our bacon. Put some bacon in there. You guys can go check out when I made a loaded potato. That had been about 6 or 7 months ago. And it was like a steak. I think it was a steak, yeah. A steak loaded potato. And that mug was off the chain. Trust me when I tell you, that sold some. That's how good it was. And they bought them. Okay, now we're going to come with our cream cheese. I'm not sorry, cream cheese. Mozzarella. Make sure everybody got some. Shoo-be-doo-doo-doo. Alright, then I'm going to take some of this Parmesan, Romano, sprinkle some of that on there. Oh my goodness, smells good already. Little black olives. It's alternatives to this stuff. You can always use chicken, you can always use turkey, you know, just different things. I'm just giving you an idea. Go from there. I need a couple of more olives in there. There you go. Voila. So, now what we do here is take us some more cheese, just like this. Loaded, remember? Loaded. Easy peasy. But remember, we're going to still put some sour cream on these bad boys too. Alright. So no, I'm not putting the onions on there right now either. Look at that. I'm going to just fall over. See that? So we just put these on here. Like so. It's a cooling rack. I think that's about it. That's all we're going to do for now. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. I'll show you what's next in a minute. Okay guys, there it is. Came out the oven. If you guys want one, let me go ahead and give you one. Give you one of these. Let you eat that one right there. Bite that one. I really need to get me another camera, don't I? Alright, get that one. I'm going to bite this one for you. I've had this in a long time. Pretty good. Nice and crispy. Taste that good old bacon in it. Next time I might try one with like a buffalo chicken or something in it. Or maybe some turkey or some chili or whatever. Thousands of ways to make this. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like and share. And tell all your friends and family to tune in to VELDOGGS Kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food or better. See you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Let's get cooking.